I do want to share the people that I do listen to now, the podcasts that I listen to, the people that I watch that have just literally changed my life and just held me accountable, the people that I follow and the people that I keep up with, just so in case you guys want to, you know, change and you want to have a new fresh start and stuff like that, just to give you a few names here on YouTube. So one person's content that I absolutely love is Kofer. Oh my goodness, he is just amazing. Like, to me, he almost feels like a male version of me, but even though I don't know him, but when I watch him, I feel seen. Like, I feel heard, I feel seen. He's into Christ. He's just so focused and so driven. He just inspires me so much. Whenever I watch his content, he inspires me in so many ways. Kofer is an amazing content creator, plant-based and man of God, just such a great guy. So I watch him. I also watch what's his name again? Dr. Bobby Price. I watch a lot of his content because his content is more educational. So I learn things about herbs. I learn more about like exotic fruits, diseases, cancer, stuff like that. It's more insightful content. So I watch him. Anthony Owusu, he was the one that got me into fasting for longer. So I would intermittent fast, but I didn't fast for like long stretches. So he inspired me to do the 2-week fast. Unfortunately, I didn't hit 2 weeks, I hit 10 days, but it was definitely inspirational. The fact that I even did it in the first place, it was mainly down to him. So he fasted, he changed his life drastically. I think he fasted like a couple of months. Literally, he fasted on just juices and herbal teas and stuff like that for months, and the change has been phenomenal. It was so inspiring. So his content is amazing. Anthony Owusu. Who else do I watch? I'm probably leaving some people out, but okay, let me do some Christ stuff. Christian people that I watch and listen to Andrew Womack. He has just honestly changed my perspective on Christianity and just the faith. It's not all theatrics. He doesn't do that. He's not like other pastors that like need the music and the, you know, all the stuff to like hype up the crowd. He's not like that at all. His teachings are very much to the point and they make a lot of sense. If you're a newbie into like Christianity, if you're a newbie into salvation, stuff like that, definitely watch Andrew Womack, but yeah, you know, yeah. His teachings are really, really good. I listen to, I don't know if you guys remember Life in Layfield. They had a YouTube channel here on YouTube and I really love their content. But one of the girls on there, her name is Zoe. She has a podcast called Matters of the Heart. So I listen to her podcast, Matters of the Heart. It's really, really good. It's also relatable because of course, like she's like my age, she looks like me, she sounds like me. So it's just nice to hear somebody else in that kind of same walk. So Matters of the Heart. What else do I listen to? That's it for podcasts, I think. I don't really listen to like the old stuff anymore. Let me go on my YouTube to see who I'm subscribed to. Oh, I listen to Tony Evans, and it's crazy because I probably came across him before, but I listen to him a bit more. Oh, a good podcast that I've recently found that I really, really like, 3 men, but they're just more, I feel like maybe because they're either engaged or married, I kind of take them a little bit more seriously, but I listen to Nice and Neat podcast. I love that podcast, really, really good. I also listen to Hardly Initiated podcast. I love that podcast again. Really, really good topics, really good guests. Yeah, I have a few more, but you know, I'm gatekeeping a little bit. But that's because of different, it's not because I'm gatekeeping because I don't want to share. It's because I'm gatekeeping because I don't want the wrong eyes or the wrong ears to see this and use it against me, if that makes sense. But I listen to a few more people that I really, really love. But just to give you an idea, also for food, I have another Instagram just to clear my mind. I don't know if about you, but my main Instagram is my main Instagram, but I have another Instagram that I just follow the people that I want to really, really see. And it's just cleansing. Like, it's just a nice, serene, my explore page is exactly how I want it. I'm not seeing random people. But anyway, I follow quite a lot of people on that other Instagram. So for health, I follow a page called Eat to Live, Not to Die. Just amazing content, keeps me accountable, helps me understand food better and plants better. I really thought I was doing it all right, but I realized I was actually doing it all wrong. When it comes to eating plant-based foods, because a lot of the foods that I thought were good apparently weren't good. But yeah, very insightful stuff. I also follow a guy called JuiceFEA. He is hilarious. His name is Brett and he makes the funniest juicing videos. I just love him. Oh, this is just another one, but I recently came across this lady. I don't actually know her name. I should know. It's Vivian? I think it's Vivian. But I follow a woman called Vivian, I think so. I really don't want to come across disrespectful. I hope that's her name. But yeah, her page is called Women of Elegance. She's here on YouTube. She's on Instagram as well. But she just kind of teaches you how to be a lady, how to be poised, how to, you know, come across and stuff like that. So that's a lot of where I get that I don't want to swear anymore, I want to dress differently kind of vibe from. So I love her content as well. I follow a guy called, there's so many people, guys, like I'm barely on my main Instagram. I'm on here most of the time. My YouTube as well, it's clean, trust me. I follow a guy called Gerald Bryant. I'll leave all these people's names hopefully here. Also the same thing, herbs, plant-based, keeps me accountable, great content. Just so many people. These are just like, I have a lot more, but I can be here forever. Oh, for gym stuff, I follow the lovely Annabelle Hayes. I love her gym content. She's here on YouTube and she's also on Instagram. She's been keeping me pumping at the gym, helping me get those gains. Yeah, I really, really love her content. She's just down to earth, such a cute girl. Like, I really like her content. Oh, I follow a guy called Jeff Juices. Great content again, plant-based, raw foods, just very educational, very to the point. And he's a really nice guy. And I think he's a Christian. He's given me the impression that he's a Christian. So yeah, I love him, Jeff Juices. Ooh, how could I forget Fully Raw Christina? Oh my gosh, I love her. Like her vibe, like her soul, everything about her is just so pure. I absolutely love her videos. I love her content. I love her Instagram. She's just, I don't know, she's just such a pure person. Her grandfather, I think he's 100. Yeah, is he 100? Or am I just making that up? But I think she has a grandfather that's really, really, really old. And her family, her genes, everything. You can tell this is a generational thing. They really have it in their genes, just the way they eat, how long they live. But yeah, she's a beautiful woman inside and out. Let me see if I'm making that up. Yeah, she has a grandfather that's 100 years old. Like, if that's not God, I don't know what is, but yeah, just beautiful person inside and out. I just love her so much. Yeah, but I hope that's helped you if you're looking for like more content creators or more people just to keep you going or just to inspire you. I hope that's helped. I'm gonna leave all the links for everyone I've mentioned down below. Yeah, thank you guys for watching this video and I'll see you guys soon in another one. Bye guys. Mwah.